各位聽眾大家好，歡迎翻嚟 Cast 嘅節目，我係主持人 Lily 啊。澳洲創意局 Creative Australia 咧最近發表咗一份2025年全國藝術參與調查嘅報告，顯示咧原來高達98% 嘅澳洲人咧都係非常熱愛藝術嘅，無論係音樂、電影創作或者係藝術品咧，佢哋都非常之嘅熱愛嘅。其中86% 嘅受訪者相信咧，其實藝術唔只係一個個人嘅修為，亦都能夠推動社會和諧同埋發展嘅。不過報告咧都揭示咗一個好殘酷嘅現實，原來有成60%嘅澳洲人咧因為價格而卻步，咁甚至乎有超過一半嘅人咧係因為費用問題咧而冇辦法參與一啲嘅藝術嘅活動嘅。正因為係咁咧，華人服務社即將咧會推出一個多元文化嘅藝術計劃，當中亦都會唔同嘅單位咧去合作嘅。今日我哋就先訪問我哋第一位嘉賓，佢嘅身份咧係非常之特別嘅，佢係 Community Bank Darling Square 嘅董事，同時咧亦都係藝術嘅策展人。佢領導銀行咧每個月咧都喺營業嘅空間裏邊舉辦畫展嘅，而且作品嘅定價親民，而且係完全免費入場參觀嘅，真正咧實踐到藝術走進社區嘅呢個理念嘅。今日咧我哋好榮幸請到佢同我哋分享呢個藝術走進社區嘅理念。歡迎你阿 Win。
大家好。
阿 Win 你好啊，一位銀行嘅董事咧，而且同時擔任一個藝術嘅策展人，咁呢個組合咧真係非常得意嘅。咁你有咩契機其實咧會諗到將銀行嘅空間轉化為一個社區嘅畫廊咧
？I think it's important because even the bank and art are two different things, but we all do the same thing. We all look after people, and it's a place we want the community bank to become the center of the hub of community where people can come to banking. At the same time, they can also look at the artwork. And they're quite excited every time we have new work. They also ask us whenever we say, when is the next show coming up? So they're really curious about the work that we have, and it's a connection for them. The bank help people with finance but the art to give them that emotion, the connection for them to appreciate every day. When you look around in anywhere you go, art is everywhere. So it's something that a lot of people take for granted.
我覺得咧呢個諗法真係非常之有創意同埋好聰明啊！因為咧阿 Win 都係話，其實我哋而家每人入嚟銀行，同一時間又可以咧，除咗處理銀行嘅金融事務啦，亦都同時咧可以欣賞一啲藝術嘅作品嘅。Community Bank Darling Square 咧，其實每個月咧都會辦畫展啦。咁其實咧嗰個頻率都相當高嘅。咁你係點樣去物色一眾嘅藝術家，亦都係點樣同佢哋合作嘅咧？
A lot of the artists with us, they actually join our commercialized programs with 2 years. So we give them the opportunity to commercialize their work. And then we also put their work on exhibition here at the Community Bank, and also at other locations in cafe and restaurants. Also, we take their work all around the world to show their work in trade shows for licensing. Where what licensing really means is we work with manufacturers. Like if you go to a department store, you see a lot of images on teapots, on clothing. All the patterns are actually licensed. They are done by an artist. So what we do, we connect the artist with the manufacturer. So if the manufacturer happy with the artwork, they use the artwork into the product. In return, the artist get royalty from it. So that's how we connect our artists with manufacturers to commercialize their work. So they can sell their work. Firstly, they sell their work through exhibition, and if they are commercial clever enough, they would then digitize their work. Then we help them with their work digitizing. So then we license the digitized work for them, because even they sold the work to a collector, they still have the copyright for it. So that means they can able to commercialize their work for a long time. So just because the collector own the painting, they don't own the right of the copyright. So if they say, if they come back to us, I bought this painting, now I want to use this painting to sell onto t-shirts and things, they have to pay a royalty back to the artist. because they own the painting, but they don't own the rights of the copyright from the artist. So artists always own it, unless the artists sell the rights, which they normally don't do that.
其實呢個合作咧都非常之多元化，亦都咧你提供咗個好好嘅空間同埋機會咧，俾唔同嘅藝術家。等我 recap 阿 Win 嘅説話先。其實 community band 咧同藝術家咧合作咧係非常之嘅多元化嘅。除咗咧直接幫佢喺銀行嘅畫廊咧進行銷售之外咧，其實佢亦都會幫佢物色唔同嘅地方，包括啲 coffee shop 啊或者啲餐廳，咁佢會幫佢咧提供一個另類嘅展示空間，咁可以去作銷售嘅。而且咧亦都會帶藝術家嘅作品咧去世界唔同嘅藝術展覽裏邊咧去展出。除此之外咧，佢亦都會幫佢咧處理埋一啲嘅授權嘅問題。咁其實好多時藝術家嘅作品咧係可以有多方面嘅授權嘅，譬如一個生產商啦，咁譬如可能佢係一個杯嘅生產商，咁佢好中意藝術家嘅一個作品或者一個圖案，其實咧佢係可以咧去買呢一個嘅 license， 即係呢個授權嘅。咁換言之咧，雖然藝術家咧出售佢哋嘅作品啦，但係咧嗰個版權咧都依然喺翻藝術家手上嘅。咁其實咧，你哋有冇話主要推廣邊一類嘅藝術作品或者藝術家？譬如話佢哋係一啲嘅新進嘅藝術家，或者一啲多元文化背景，即係通常你哋會點樣去選擇嘅咧
？Most of the time is we look at the work, if they have a connection, if they commercialize, if they have a story. Nowadays it's about storytelling, and that's how the artists build their portfolio. If they have the story to tell people, people would most likely would connect with them. So artists need to look at, it's very self-expressions, but they still have to thinking, okay, I'm going to do this painting, but is anyone going to buy from me as well? So if they want to survive and build a sustainable business, they need to think a little bit, they need to put a commercial hat onto it as well. So you just can't just paint what you love, but imagine you painted more people love than you do, so they would buy it, and instead of you left at home, put in the garage or in the storeroom, it is so much better to have that artwork in someone else's home, hanging on the wall, hanging in the office. So the artists have to be a bit more commercial thinking as well, or actually understand what their client wants. So artist expression is very, very important. But if they can actually introduce a little bit more of the commercial side, more business side, I think their art would sell even better, even further.
阿 Win 嘅意思咧就係話，其實咧冇一個可能特定嘅種類，但係佢好着重咧就係嗰個作品與人嘅連結啊，尤其是咧係藝術家點樣去表達呢一幅畫，好似一個有故事性咁樣。因為始終咧個人表達咧係佢哋覺得認為最重要嘅。咁始終咧銀行嚟講咧，即係對於佢哋最緊要咧，就係幫到藝術家去銷售到呢個作品啦。咁所以好多時咧，佢認為一個好嘅作品咧係應該係可以擺喺好多唔同嘅地方，譬如我願意買翻去擺喺個廳或者擺喺個睡房，就未必係話我一個 artist 我淨係想我畫我中意嘅嘢嘅啫，係要需要被大眾去接受。咁呢個作品咧係佢哋比較去即係 prefer 中意同一啲藝術家去合作嘅。譬如作為銀行啦，同一時間又係一個藝術空間啦，其實個過程裏邊有冇啲咩挑戰難度，或者會唔會有啲客人會覺得唔中意咁樣嘅咧
？When it comes to art, it's very personal. So they look, as an artist, you get rejection, you get criticized anyway. So you just go for it. Like you're already going to be public going to view your work, and they either like your work or they don't like your work. So what you do is focus on people love your work. If people tell you that they don't like your work, then just take on board what they said. And then think about what they say, is it really correct? Is this, are they being silly, or are they, so you use your own judgment, okay? But I think it's a bit important to, you don't need to, you don't have to ever love your work. You just need enough people to love your work that connect with you. and they're the ones who can support you. It's no point get upset with people who don't love your work because if they don't like it, they don't like it. You cannot change their mind.
冇錯。
You know?
阿 Win 嘅意思咧，就係其實每一個藝術品咧，都係一個好個人化嘅選擇嚟嘅。作為藝術家咧，都應該坦然有一個心理準備咧，係接受唔同嘅人嘅批評啦，或者拒絕嘅。當然啦，世界上冇可能每一個人都中意你嘅作品，咁有陣時都要自己去反思，呢個作品咧係咪被市場接受啦？但係就算俾人拒絕，亦都唔好太過唔開心啦，因為咧始終咧一個作品都有唔同嘅群眾佢中意或者唔中意嘅。其實有多個平台咧，俾藝術家聽到唔同嘅聲音，其實我覺得好好啊。因為好多時咧，我相信每個藝術家個心願都係多啲人睇到佢嘅作品啦。咁喺銀行嘅可能已經有好高嘅人嘅流量啦，咁啊就變咗更加多人可以睇到佢嘅作品啊。咁啊跟住咧，我又想問下阿 Vin 咧，關於一啲即係澳洲嘅藝術市場啦。咁我見到啲調查報告咧，就話原來98%嘅澳洲人咧，其實都中意用唔同嘅形式去接觸藝術嘅。咁以你經驗嚟睇咧，其實澳洲人中意藝術嘅作品風格係啲咩？即係究竟佢可能係中意抽象啊、風景畫啊，或者啲原著文嘅啲藝術作品，你覺得大眾喺澳洲嘅市場佢比較偏向邊類嘅作品啊？
I think it's very important. Don't worry about the trends. It's what you love to buy. So if you like something, you think it's good, buy it. So I think that's how you support the artist as well. So, but in Australia, when you buy work, mostly landscape, abstract is good. Lifestyle is, still life is also good. So it's mostly when you look at it, it is suit my home. It is something that I can live with for a long time. So I don't think you need to follow what the trends are, because that will stop your creativity and stop your appreciation. So you cannot always chasing trends. Trends change all the time. So if you're home, because you don't change your interior that much, right? So you want a painting that you love. If you love that painting, get it.
阿 Win 就覺得其實係唔應該追隨潮流嘅，無論風景畫或者係抽象畫，只要你覺得係中意嘅，尤其是咧係啱自己嘅風格啦。因為始終咧，你會擺喺屋企會一段長嘅時間。咁你睇完呢幅畫，你覺得係好中意佢嘅，好中意同佢一齊擺喺度嘅，咁你就應該去買，去支持呢一個嘅藝術作品。同埋咧，亦都係唔應該去追隨潮流嘅，否則咧你就會停止咗你嘅創意。
It's all depend on the artist. So if they have a good following, they would get by what the artist produce.
哦，都跟人喎。
有跟係啊。But if you look at but what we're selling a lot is abstract work. A lot of people like it because it's just easy. It's also interesting to display at home, and the combination of it. So abstract is quite big, particularly in corporate, in business, in home. But there are lots of people also love cultural work. Something that bring a little bit culture into their work. Like we did quite a few cultural work, like Chinese mythology, Peranakan, which is a culture in Southeast Asia. So that kind of work really resonate with people, because a lot of time people want to find their background and they want to find something connection. Sometimes we paint something that reminds, oh my God, this is what I saw that in my childhood. Sometimes we got paint like food. And they thought, oh my God, this is what I used to eat when I was 5 years old at my grandma. So this is really good to bring back memory for people, and people like to learn a bit more as we get old. Particularly for Asian, we all, some of us born here, some of us grew up here, but we seem to assimilate to Australia, and sometimes we don't have time to really study or learn about our culture. So having cultural exhibition is really beneficial. It's for audience to reconnect with their home, bring back their culture, and they can learn. While they're learning, they also can learn with their children. And the children is our future, and I think it's important for us to be able to have variety of different art around for exhibitions. I think it's really important that we are able to, this day, it's so easy to go through social media. There's a lot, but there are a lot of really good art, and there's some of them are not so good. But majority art is art. If you love it, buy it.
冇錯，其實藝術作品的確係俾到我哋好多嘅想像空間啦，尤其是可能亦都會令我哋懷緬以前兒時嘅時候中意嘅一啲嘅事物啊，咁呢啲都係藝術作品可以俾到我哋一啲嘅心靈嘅慰藉嘅。咁阿 Win 咧就話其實市場上咧始終咧都係比較多人買抽象畫，因為咧始終藝術作品咧好多時又唔係淨係擺喺屋企啦，無論我哋喺公共空間啊或者啲嘅商業大廈咧都會買藝術作品。咁抽象畫咧始終都可能會比較多人買嘅。咁但好多時咧都會係根據唔同嘅藝術家，因為每個藝術家咧都有佢自己嘅一啲追隨者啦。咁好多時咧佢都會因應個藝術家而去買呢一個作品嘅。不過同時間咧佢都覺得應該我哋都要留意一啲我哋叫做 cultural 嘅一啲嘅作品啊，即係一啲嘅文化唔同一啲國家文化嘅作品，譬如好似東南亞咁。雖然佢呢個作品咧係會可能某一撮人會中意啦，因為同時間咧佢都會提供咗一啲嘅連結啦，同時間亦都會令人咧懷緬自己家鄉嘅一啲嘅文化，譬如佢嘅食物啊，咁亦都會覺得好似雖然我人在澳洲，但因為見到呢幅畫就好似感同咧我已經翻到故鄉嘅一樣。咁呢啲都係藝術作品咧帶到俾你嘅一啲嘅情緒價值嚟嘅。咁講到呢度咧，可能好多藝術家咧都想點樣可以聯絡到阿 Win 你啊？會唔會同我哋大家講下，大家點樣可以將佢嘅作品去即係同你傾下，有冇機會展出？應該可以點聯絡你咧？
So you can get in touch with me through email, vin@artshy.com, or you can also contact me by phone number. I'm very open to 0410 636 138. You can also contact Lily. Lily from CAST, Lily Chen. So Lily can also can help us because we are looking for a lot. We're going to do a call out for artists. We need more artist support for our charity events. I think the art exhibition going to be fantastic. We want different type of artwork as well. It's about supporting the community, and also give you a good exposure if you want to have your art showcase here, and also it's a good cause for everyone.
咁如果各位藝術家，無論你嘅創作係一幅畫或者係一個雕塑，都歡迎咧聯絡我哋嘅。咁如果大家想聯絡阿 Win 咧，佢嘅手提電話係0410636138 0410636138。又或者咧可以發郵件去佢嘅郵箱，佢嘅郵箱咧係 vinh@artshine.com artshine.com 嘅。呢個咧都係好難得嘅機會咧，就可以大家唔單止展示個作品啦，亦都可以回饋社會嘅，幫助即係更加多有需要嘅人嘅。咁啱啱阿 Win 就講咗佢嘅電話號碼啦，大家咧都可以聯絡阿 Win。又或者咧，如果咧大家想有作品，希望可以分享俾我哋嘅，歡迎你哋咧可以打去華人服務社電話97894587 97894587內線1150咧去聯絡我嘅。咁講到呢度咧，阿 Win 啊，不如最後咧，不如講下如果俾你諗到10年後，或者你希望10年後，你覺得 Community Bank Darling Square 喺藝術嘅社區裏邊咧，俾大家留下一個咩嘅印象咧
？Okay. In 10 years' time, I would like people who come to the bank and know that yes, this bank had helped me start off my art. So we want to be the community centre, like a hub where community can come to Community Bank Darling Square, so they have the opportunity to connect with people, and they can also have their artwork exhibit in our branch. So that's a key thing for us. It's about connection with people, and we also want to have more cultural art, educational art that can actually, people can learn from it. Particularly with a younger generation, I think it's important for them to reconnect with any cultures they want to know, particularly their own culture, kind of finding who they are, sense of belonging. I think is the key thing for us. It's about the connection. This is what Community Bank we want to be, is to have that network that can help people and show impact to the community.
Community Band 咧，其實一直咧都好希望咧幫助各類嘅藝術家嘅，特別係咧佢哋希望成為一個藝術家嘅平台，亦都係透過唔同嘅藝術作品咧，同唔同嘅社區人士連結嘅。特別咧係佢哋好欣賞一啲 cultural 啊，或者係一啲教育 education 類嘅作品啦，因為佢覺得可以幫助到年青人啦，更加認識到自己國家本身嘅文化嘅。多謝阿 Win 嘅分享嘅。OK， 咁啊再次多謝阿 Win 咧，今次接受我哋呢個訪問啦。大家嚟緊可以留意咧華人服務社嘅社交平台，包括 Facebook、YouTube、WhatsApp、小紅書、微信同埋微博。咁我哋咧都會定期更新我哋嘅活動嘅。咁記得如果大家咧有作品想參與今次呢個嘅藝術展咧，就記得聯絡我或者阿 Win 啦。咁啊，今日到節目去到呢一度，多謝大家，拜拜。
拜拜。